Guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Shout out to Team 512 for making the intro video. It's amazing. Thank you so much for that. Taking time out of your day to make that for me. I highly appreciate that. Make sure to check out his channel. I will throw that in the description. I'll probably just leave that in the description from now on because the video is awesome. Thanks for the support. So today I wanted to go over basically the house plan for the house that I was going to build. Maybe I still will. I'm not sure. The plans kind of changed. I went to go put down the $1,000 deposit today, and by the time I picked out all the stuff that I wanted, like the upgraded floors and all that stuff, it was like an extra $17,000. So by the time we do all that, I figure I might as well just try to find a lot and build it myself, which would be better in the long run because I can do more stuff myself, save a whole bunch of money, have to pay more upfront costs for the lot itself. But if I can get the house just the way I want it, that will be a lot better and I would be more satisfied with that. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys basically what I would have picked out or what I still might pick out. Basically, I wanted to go with the Elevation 1, which is just the basic flat roof with the 2 roof points right there. But I guess they quit making that, so they only have 2 and 3, and 2 looks like crap. So I would have gone with 3, but that's an X. I would go with 3, which has a little extra window right there and like a little chandelier when you walk in the door. Has a little vaulted ceiling, and I think that's extra like $3,500 just for that, which is dumb. But anyways, I'll go ahead and show you the floor plan, which is all going to be the same, and I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, so here is the house plan right here. I will go ahead and throw up pictures afterwards to give you a more visual picture of what this looks like. It is pretty nice house indeed. If you go ahead and look at the pictures and stuff like that, some of the products aren't what I exactly like. Like the tile flooring has a really weird texture to it, and I'd rather have it smooth or just like a different look, sorta. They only give you like 5 different choices or whatever, 8 different choices of either tile or the wood on the cabinets and stuff like that, or the laminate flooring or stuff like that. So anyways, here's the plan right here. Basically, you got my room would be over here with the master, with the tub right here, and then a shower over. I don't know. This one doesn't actually show up, but mine would have a bathtub, a shower next to the 2 sinks, walk-in closet right here, and then basically you have your kitchen out here with the island, and then a dining room with an open area to the great room, which is basically just a living room. And you eat over here. Maybe bar stools here next to the island, but then there would be a laundry room, which I don't even remember that on the walkthrough, but anyways, there's a laundry room right there, washer dryer, then you got your coat closet, and then your bedroom 1 and 2 with a bathroom in between. But I'm pretty sure these doors were on the front, so the doors, no, never mind, I'm getting confused. So the doors are to the bedrooms are right here, and then this is separate, not connected to each bedroom, which would be weird to have to go through the bathroom to get out of the bedroom. So anyways, you got your bathroom right there for those 2 bedrooms, and then your entry room right here, and with the vaulted ceiling upgrade, this part right here would be vaulted with a little chandelier right there or whatever, or drop hanging light. So anyways, then you got your garage in here, your 2-car garage. So that's kind of what it looks like, and I will go ahead and throw up the pictures. So anyways, hopefully I can actually do the custom build, where I guess we would have to, like, I don't know if we would be doing all of it, and by we I mean me and my mom. So either we would be choosing a builder or just picking out all the subs and just more contracting the whole thing. I'm not sure yet, but ideally it would be getting everything how I want it, and then just more, that would be more filming opportunities because basically we'd have the keys and we'd own everything. So anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. So it looks like for now, holding off on the build for the deposit on this house specifically, and hopefully we can find a lot. That would be sweet, and then it would be just more like all of ours, or all mine. So anyways, I will keep you guys posted, and then I'll show you the pictures here in a second. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Keep you guys updated on all things coming up in my life and work-wise, house-wise. And yeah, make sure to check out the description for social medias. Let me know if the links work, because I usually don't watch my videos, so I can't check the links. So let me know. And also, if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos, hit the notification bell, only if you want to. And I did live stream last night, so thanks for all those who came out. It was fun, and that is live on the channel still, I believe. So anyways, yep, see you guys tomorrow. Yep, Friday. God bless. Peace out.